Allow us to present ourselves to you. Fabio Air Springs, established in 2004 in Bursa, Turkey, has been dedicated to the production of air springs. In total, our factory encompasses 22,500 square meters of closed area. Our second manufacturing facility in Samsun, Turkey, covers an area of 8,500 square meters for metal production. As a specialized manufacturer, we have successfully provided replacement air springs for various sectors, including heavy, light commercial and passenger vehicles, industrial machinery, anti-vibration applications, cabin and seat vibration. Our commitment to high quality has earned us a strong reputation both domestically and internationally. We owe our global success to our strategic partnerships with axle manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors across all 7 continents. Sales. Our sales office is located in Istanbul, Turkey. We prioritize accessibility, seamless communication, prompt service and response, wide product range availability, and technology in our sales approach. Our turnover's 95% is coming from exports, which we cater our products to over 120 countries. To ensure top-notch service for our esteemed partners, we have assembled a sales team comprising highly educated and multicultural individuals. Our sales team is proficient in English, German, Spanish, Russian, and Arabic. They are available 24/7 for direct or online communication. With our commitment to product availability, we offer more than 2,500 different types of air springs in our range. Detailed information such as cross-references, available applications, weight, pictures, technical drawings, and 3D animations for each air spring can be easily accessed on our website. Additionally, we regularly update our social media platforms with the latest news from our company. Let's see Fabio's manufacturing mindset. Fabio Air Springs' manufacturing vision is founded on the principles of advanced technology, traceability, environmentalist, quality assurance, and sustainable practices. With a production capacity of 1.5 million units today, our goal at Fabio is to become a fully integrated air spring factory in the future. What specific steps have we taken thus far to achieve our goal? R&D Center. Our R&D Center employs engineers who are divided into 4 sections. The first section is solely responsible for machinery development and production. The second section focuses on product development. The third section is dedicated to new product development, while the last section handles project management. Machinery Department. Fabio's engineers are currently engaged in the production and development of their own machinery. It may come as a surprise, but we are not only manufacturing these machines, but also supplying air spring production machines. Over the years, we have successfully established turnkey air spring factories for our partners in Brazil, the UK, China, and India. Our dedication to improving our machinery has resulted in technology-driven production, embracing the Industry 4.0 philosophy, streamlining production processes, minimizing production failures, implementing quality control stations for production, reducing setup time, increasing production capacity, molding department. At Fabio, we manufacture our own molds for rubber, metal, and plastic production. This department is part of our R&D center and is managed by them. With our in-house molding facility, we are able to quickly add new products to our range, create and innovate special products, maintain control over the process and quality. Metal production. Having our own metal production facility established in 2017 at Samsun has provided us with numerous advantages. Firstly, it allows us to accelerate the processes and lead times of production. Secondly, we are no longer dependent on external metal suppliers, giving us more control over our operations. Additionally, we have the ability to oversee and manage every step of the production process, ensuring quality and efficiency. Moreover, having our own metal production enables us to design and manufacture specific products according to demand. Coating facility. The metal coating facility, which we recently invested in, commenced operations in late 2023. This facility operates with the assistance of 5 fully automated robots for the coating process. Throughout this process, we intently monitor tank concentrations, manage error measurement operations, measure coating thickness, perform simulation coating tests, evaluate corrosion resistance, leakage tests. Test Center. Our testing center is equipped with state-of-the-art machines and is divided into 2 sections. The first section focuses on testing our raw materials. Despite having long-standing and trustworthy relationships with our suppliers, every raw material that arrives at our facilities must undergo testing before being used in our production process. We also have a simulation machine for the vulcanizing process, where we test rubber, cord fabric, and sheet metal as raw materials. Once we receive our own test reports, we compare them with the reports provided by our suppliers. The materials are only accepted into our facility if they match our standards and meet the required values. The second section is dedicated to testing the end products. These tests provide results on various parameters such as expansion, burst, cycle, ozone, and leakage. We conduct tests on both new and existing air springs to ensure they meet our standards and to facilitate further improvements. Additionally, we continuously test our own products as well as those of our competitors to assess our position in the market and enhance our product offerings. Quality assurance. Our air springs come with a warranty of 2 million cycles and 2 years, compatible to international standards. In line with our commitment to high quality, we have obtained certifications from well-known global certification companies as BSI, EAC, and RAR. With these management system certificates, we actively protect our company system according to current quality standards, and by increasing our traceability process, we manage to be a company that does not compromise on quality at all times. Our certifications include Quality Management System, Customer Satisfaction and Complaint Management System, Information Security Management System, Occupational Health and Safety Management System, Environmental Management System, Compatibility. If you are collaborating with Fabio, do not worry. Fabio Air Springs, we've got your back.